Hey there guys, welcome back to another video here at Top Tier Garage. Today I'll be going over possibly the cheapest Honda Foreman Rubicon that one could pick up. I picked this guy up for $250 and as you can see, it is in the condition to match that. It does run and drive and I'll be going over some details in the video of what exactly is wrong with it and my future plans for it. Hope you stay tuned. Alright, so here she is close up. As you can see, the decals are almost all peeled off. Still got the safety stuff on. But as you can see, the difference in color. This is factory. This is a light pink. The rack itself is rusted. A little beat up. But it's a Honda. You know it'll run for absolutely forever. Brand new set of tires on it. Plastic is starting to oxidize on the headlights. Absolutely no rear brake cable on it. The speedometer assembly did not work when I first picked it up. It was actually a blown fuse, and this is so oxidized you actually have to like lick your finger and then wipe it on it in order to see how much gas you have left. All in all the plastics are there. I did change the oil, so I took all that stuff off. Missing a few fasteners on the plastic. More decals missing. I ended up picking this four-wheeler up for $250 from a family friend of mine. This was his old farm four-wheeler before he ended up picking up a new Can-Am. So it basically sat outside its entire life, hence why it's so sun-faded. He said the only thing that was ever done to it was the oil was changed a few times. There was no other maintenance done on it. I did change the spark plug on it too, and it was still the original stock one. So it's crazy how long these things can last with little to no maintenance. It currently sits at 6,020 miles with 643 hours on it. And I will be doing a full fix up restoration on this thing. I'll be trying to correct the plastic fading. I already did buy a brand new seat for it because it was so chewed up that it was actually only the white plastic piece. All the foam padding was gone on it, just sitting on a foam piece. It should be a fun little project, but it does run and drive. It does make an odd noise inside the engine. I think it maybe need a valve adjustment, but we'll start it up here for you guys quick. Alright, so I had to put the camera down in order to start it up. The idle is super low on it, so it dies sometimes. So that'll have to be adjusted on the carb. The carb was absolutely never cleaned, and it was cheap farm gases ran through it with ethanol the entire time. So I'm surprised it actually starts as well as it does. But as you can hear from inside the engine there, but that does go away after it's warmed up and once the oil is up to temp. I thought maybe if I would change the oil and then maybe do a flush and just change it right away, that it would go away. But other than that noise, I mean, it is buttery smooth. Also, the spark arrestor here, I'll set the camera down, I'll rev it up a little bit. It squeaks. So I did try and take that out, and two of the bolts were sacrificed while I tried to do it. So I think I'm gonna need a new spark arrestor, but that's cheap, 40 bucks. But I hope you guys stick around for the journey of this '06 Honda Foreman Rubicon. It's gonna be a long journey bringing this guy back to full stock.